Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are learning Allah is the creator. In Arabic we will say Al-Khaliq. In this lesson we will learn who is Allah. We have teachers, we have parents to advise us, but Allah doesn't need any advisor. Allah has no any partner. He has created me and you and the earth. Allah has created everyone in whole universe. He has created beautiful so many flowers, trees, mountains, sun, sky, rainbow, big and small trees. Allah has made sun and moon and earth. And He sends down the water in the earth. It starts raining. Doesn't need anything to make. He just say. He said, be flower. Flower is created. Be moon and sun and earth. Everything is created. Then be trees. Trees are created. Be mountains. Mountains are created. Be big mountains are created. It doesn't need anything to make all these things. Allah sends down the water, it's called raining. Allah made all animals. Allah made these little animals, ants, worms, everything He made by His own. Do you know? Still He doesn't need to create elephant, either mouse. He can create ants, He can create mouse, He can create everything in whole world. रब्बिल आलमीन, तमाम तारीफें अल्लाह ताला के लिए हैं. Praise to be Allah. We should recite holy book. Alameen. Allah is Lord of world. We should pray to Allah. We should ask Allah for help. Nobody can help us, but Allah can help you.
Very well done, Anfal. Really very nice presentation. Now this is a time for checkpoints. Here I would like to clear the concept that what are the checkpoints. Checkpoints actually are checking your ability. This is nothing, just like a question answer, fill in the blanks and true false. These type of exercises called checkpoints. We used to say question answer exercise. So don't get confused about it that what is the checkpoints, either it is a very difficult thing. No, this is very easy. Now we are going to solve these checkpoints. I have collected from different books, from the different websites as well. I have collected so many different type of checkpoints so that you can relate it to this lesson. Okay, so that your points will be cleared. Is okay. Here what we have to do, we have to match the column. Column number 1, you can see the numbers are given 1 2 3 4 5, and in the second column you can see there just the options are given. What we have to do, just we have to click the right option, because here it is not written the numbers. Now it will be easy for us that what is the answer of 1. Allah is out of nothing. These are the options A, B, C, D, E. These are the options. Allah is out of nothing. Option B is to Allah, the creator. C, even fly or mosquito to swim in water. So Allah is the creator. So answer of 1 is C. Okay. Allah made everything out of nothing. Option A. Option B is to Allah. No. Option C we have already used with 1. Option C is the answer of 1. So we will not use. But answer of 2 is D. Allah made everything, even a fly or a mosquito? 3 is Allah made fish to swim in water. So the answer of 3 is E. Okay. Now the question number 4 is there is none equal to Allah. Answer of 4 is B. Now the question number 5. Human cannot create out of nothing. Yes, this is the answer of 5 is A. Okay, human cannot create out of nothing. If there is no anything, human cannot create. Okay, so these are all the answers of this one. I will put the answer key at the end of this presentation as well. Okay, so don't worry about it. Now this is the answer key. These are the correct answer. You can stop the screen and write the correct answers. Okay, now the second thing is Allah is the creator. Complete the following sentences. We have to complete the sentences as well, so I will write the answer of this one as well. As the column is in the book, but this is I have taken from other website. Okay, Allah made everything. He made everything from, what can be the answer of this one? He made everything from
nothing.
From nothing, out of nothing. We can say the correct answer is out of nothing. Okay, he made the dash in the sky. What
He made a sun.
Okay, question 2 was he made the dash in the sky. So you can write sun, moon, or you can write stars in the sky. All these things are in the sky, so you can write any one thing from these. Okay, question number 4 is he made the tall dash.
A tall everything.
Yes, he made the tall dash. Okay, he made the tall giraffe. Tall giraffe. Okay,
You can see
tree as well. Now here it is written he made the dash of every color. What he made the many colors of flowers. He made the flowers of every color, because we have seen so many colors of the flowers here. Okay, we have done in the presentation as well, and we have seen in the book as well. Okay, now these are the few questions you have to write the answers of this one. Okay, so question number 1 is what do we call when Allah make things out of nothing? What we call if we are Allah making anything without anything, so what we will call it? Yes, we call it create. Okay. Okay, do you understand that what do we call when Allah makes things out of nothing? This is called create. So answer of this one is create. Okay, who created you? Question number 2 is who created you? Allah Ta'ala. Okay, now this is written Allah Al Khaliq is written, so you have to just color this activity. Link is given below, and this one is available here. Just download it from over there and then do the coloring on. This is the coloring activity. Just you have to do coloring in Al Khaliq. Okay, nothing else. Now these are the little bit difficult questions, so that you will get prepare yourself for the little bit difficult question as well for every chapter. So question number 1 is how do you think animals get their food? What are you thinking that from where they get their food?
Anywhere else.
They are giving, Allah is giving them food. Can you anyone change? Okay, now second point is can anyone change anything what Allah has postponed? Can anybody else change this if Allah has postponed this? No, we cannot change, and anybody else throughout the world cannot change. If Allah has postponed the things, we cannot change. Even anybody throughout the world, king, prime minister, if Allah is saying no, so we cannot do. Okay, so believe on this and try to understand these type of questions as well. Only Allah can change, only Allah can do. If He has postponed, we cannot change in it. if he has done anything, we cannot postpone it, so we should believe on this as well. Okay, now this is the answer key of previous questions. You can write down in your notebook or in worksheet. Okay,
Best of luck. Have a lovely day.